Pause with the fans. Pause with the pause with the pause with the fans. Pause with the pause with the fans. Pause with the fans. Pause with the fans. Pause with the fans.
First, we go to the introduction part.
About Pharmaniaga. Pharmaniaga Berhad is Malaysia's leading integrated pharmaceutical company involved in the manufacturing, distribution, logistics, and retail of pharmaceutical products and medical equipment. A subsidiary of Boosted Holdings under LTAT, Pharmaniaga operates PIC, SGMP certified and halal compliant plants in Malaysia and Indonesia, producing generic drugs, biopharmaceuticals, and over-the-counter medicines. The company also manages supply chains for public and private healthcare providers, including hospital installations, and plays a key role in the national pharmaceutical distribution network. With strong government ties and regional presence, particularly in Indonesia, Pharmaniaga continues to expand its footprint through R&D, innovation, and a workforce of over 3,400 professionals.
Okay, we will move to supply chain management.
Sourcing, procurement, logistics and supplier relationships. Sourcing and procurement focus on reliable suppliers for raw materials, primarily for generic drugs and medical supplies. Strong emphasis on regulatory compliance, e.g., GMP. Logistics operates a nationwide network of warehouses and transport systems to serve over 3,500 government hospitals and clinics efficiently. Supplier relationships builds long-term partnerships with certified local and international suppliers, ensuring quality, compliance, and consistency. Inventory management uses digital systems to track and forecast inventory needs across facilities and hospitals. Strategies used. 1. Few suppliers strategy. Long-term partnerships with select certified manufacturers ensure quality, regulatory compliance, and support JIT inventory efficiency. 2. Vertical integration. End-to-end control of manufacturing, warehousing, and distribution enables better efficiency, product traceability, and reduced third-party reliance. 3. E-procurement and tech integration. Digital systems automate purchasing, improve inventory accuracy, reduce errors, and enhance procurement transparency and governance. 4. Third-party logistics, 3PL, provides full logistics services to government and private clients, optimizing assets and supporting national medical supply chain operations. 5. Distribution network strategy. Nationwide, tech-enabled distribution ensures fast, scalable, and reliable delivery to all regions, including during health emergencies.
After that, we can move to inventory management.
Raw materials for drug production. 3rd. Finished goods like tablets, syrups, and injectables. 4th. Cold chain items such as vaccines that need temperature-controlled storage. 5th. Medical devices including syringes, gloves, and diagnostic tools. And lastly, these inventories are managed across multiple storage facilities with specific handling requirements. Structured decision-making and operational issues. Pharmaniaga applies structured decision-making to streamline daily operations such as: first, inventory restocking based on consumption patterns and lead times. Second is production planning using demand forecasts and capacity limits. And lastly, distribution scheduling to ensure timely deliveries to hospitals and clinics. These decisions follow standardized protocols using real-time data from ERP systems, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and regulatory compliance.
Okay, next we move to decision-making model.
Pharmaniaga's decision tree outlines 3 strategic options: investing in a new digital platform, upgrading the existing system, or doing nothing. The new platform offers the highest return of Rm 3,511 million in high or medium demand scenarios but poses a significant risk with a loss of Rm 607.32 million under low demand. Upgrading the existing system provides moderate but stable returns across all demand levels, ranging from Rm 702.2 million to Rm 2,457.7 million, making it a safer yet less profitable option. The do-nothing approach yields Rm 0, offering no gain but also no risk. This analysis highlights the need for accurate demand forecasting, as the high-reward strategy also carries the highest risk.
Next, we go to the analysis and reflection.
Application of theory to practice. Pharmaniaga effectively applies key supply chain and operations management theories in its real-world practices. For example, just-in-time (JIT) principles are used to reduce excess inventory and ensure timely deliveries to hospitals. Vertical integration supports end-to-end control, aligning with value chain theory. Decision-making models like decision trees and simulations help evaluate investment risks and operational strategies. Use of lean principles improves efficiency by reducing waste in production and distribution. Critical insights into effectiveness and challenges. While Pharmaniaga demonstrates strong integration of systems and technology, challenges remain. First, strengths: reliable distribution network, use of ERP for transparency, strong government partnerships, and scalable logistics capabilities. Second is challenges: high dependency on government contracts, exposure to demand fluctuation, and risk from investing in high-cost digital upgrades. The firm must continually improve forecasting accuracy, manage supply chain risks, and balance innovation with cost control to remain competitive.
Okay, lastly, we move to the conclusion.
For conclusion, Pharmaniaga Berhad has demonstrated strong operational capabilities through the integration of ERP systems, AI-based forecasting, and structured decision-making aligned with core operational management principles, resulting in efficient supply chain and inventory management. However, to enhance long-term resilience and competitiveness, the company must address key challenges such as over-reliance on government contracts and inventory imbalances. This can be achieved by adopting advanced probabilistic forecasting models that better handle demand uncertainties, especially in volatile periods like pandemics, and by expanding its customer base to include private healthcare, international markets, and e-pharmacy platforms to reduce market concentration risk. Additionally, implementing a closed-loop supply chain strategy will enhance sustainability and enable effective reverse logistics, while the integration of decision analysis tools such as decision trees and EMV within ERP systems will support data-driven, risk-aware strategic choices. Lastly, Pharmaniaga must strengthen its corporate social responsibility (CSR) efforts, particularly in underserved and rural areas, to ensure equitable healthcare access and reinforce its long-term social impact and brand reputation in Malaysia's healthcare landscape.